All right, we're going to show this operating the last thing in automatic mode. We're going to rehome it again. Again, I've included a free belt with this. Down the road, that thing's going to go. Right now, the machine is homing itself. Machine should be home now. Okay. Go into auto mode. He's got a program in there. He's going to come into about 2.5. I think it's set for, or 2.25. And you will be doing a 94-degree bend. Is that what that is?
Yeah. Just a random piece.
Just a random program that was in here. There's got a lot of programs in there.
Right.
Yep. Clamping down. Operators.
Lights up when it's clamped.
Bending, going back down. Now we should move to the next step. The back gauge will move where back gauge already moved. 153. And you're at an inch and a half there, and you're at 153 there. That's within clamping, bending, end of program. You go back to the top of the program and do the next piece. Everything on this machine works as it should. RTB machines, 24-foot brake. Chase, we're just gonna do the same thing real quick. Just show it working. This is a 20-foot, 4-foot Jorns we've repaired for a customer. They actually sent it to our old shop, and we're moving in the middle of moving to our new shop. Chase is clamping the upper beam. Right now he's manually operating the leaf, the bending leaf. Okay. And lastly, the slitter. Cut the length slitter on it, 24 foot. Cut your metal. God bless me. And all the way back. Just verifying functionality now that we've made all of our repairs. We're not painting this one. We typically would paint everything, and the jaw is back up. Thank you, and good night.